mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin yung dalawang joker guys. Yung spectators guys, pipili ng isang files. Kahit saan dyan guys, pipili ng isang files tapos kukuha ng isang card. Sample ito na pili niya guys. Five of clubs guys, yung card ng spectators. Kahit saan yan dyan nilagay guys. Katin natin guys. Ngayon, hanapin natin yung card ng spectators guys. Diyan na yung card ng spectators guys. Yung five of clubs guys. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.